Re-enter Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo. The speech of Boson is continued. After seeing these people, Boson says to them, "Yet again, what do you hear? Shall we give over and drown? Have you a mind to sink?" Miss Boson is saying to these people, "You have come again from your cabins. What are you doing here? Shall we give up and drown?" Means, shall we surrender to the storm and drown? Do you wish to drown? Means, have you any intention to die by drowning? Sebastian. A pox o'er your throat, you bowling, blasphemous, uncharitable dog. Means Sebastian is abusing to Boson by using these three words. Sebastian is saying, "May your tongue be damned. You are howling, swearing, unkind dog." These are the three words which are the abusing words which Sebastian has used for Boson. Now Boson, after hearing these words, he gets angry. So he says to Sebastian, Boson is saying, "Work you then." Means, if you are thinking that we people are not able to handle the situation, condition, you may work yourself. You may handle the situation yourself. Antonio, hang cur, hang you, worsen, insolent noise maker, we are less afraid to be drowned than thou art. Antonio also gets angry and he says to Boson, "Be hanged, you dog. May you be hanged, you dog. You are a rude noise maker, unmannered noise maker. We are less afraid of being drowned than you are." We are less afraid to be drowned than you are means we are less afraid of being drowned than you are. Now Gonzalo says to Antonio, "I'll warrant him for drowning, though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell, and as leaky as an unstanced wench." Wench means girl. Means Gonzalo is saying, "I assure you, I predict here, I assure you that this man will not die by drowning. This person is not destined to die by drowning. Definitely he will not die by drowning. Though the ship were no stronger than a nutshell and as leaky as an unstanced girl." Boson is saying, "Lay her a hold, set her two courses off to sea again, lay her off." Here the word "her" has been used for the ship. And Boson is saying to the mariners, he is saying to mariners, "Keep the ship sailing into the wind. Keep the ship sailing into the wind, set her foresail and her mainsail." Two courses means foresail and mainsail, to take her off to the sea again. Means bring the ship to the sea again. Keep her away from the shore. Keep the ship away from the shore. Enter mariners wet. Means mariners enter once again and they are wet. Why they are wet? They are wet because they are working out in the rain. It's raining and they are working in the rain. Mariners come there and they say to the bosun, mariners are saying, "All lost, two prayers, all lost." Means mariners are saying, all is lost. Say your prayers, all is lost. Everything has been lost. Because they are saying that they have tried their best to control the situation, but now the situation is out of their control. So the mariners are saying, all is lost. Say prayers, all is lost. And after saying these words, accent, Bosun is saying, "What? Must our mouths be cold? What? Must our mouths be cold?" Means, should we die? Gonzalo. Gonzalo is saying now, the king and prince at prayers, let's assist them, for our case is as theirs. Means Gonzalo is saying to his people, the king and the prince Ferdinand, they are praying. Let's join them because our condition is as desperate as theirs. Means right now we are in the same condition, in the same situation as the king and prince have, and they are doing their prayers. So let's join them, let's assist them. Sebastian, I am out of patience. Sebastian is saying, I have lost all my patience. I am out of patience. Antonio, Antonio says to Antonio says, we are merely cheated of our lives by drunkards. Here the word drunkards has been used for mariners and other fleet members. He is saying, we are merely cheated of our lives by drunkards. Means we are going to die because of these drunkards. This wide-chapped rascal. The wide-chapped rascal has been used for bosun. He is saying, this wide-chapped rascal means bosun. Would thou mightest lie drowning the washing of 10 tides. He is saying, I wish. What I wish? I wish you were drowned till 10 tides have washed over your corpse. Corpse means dead body. Means he is saying this for bosun because according to him, this wide-mouthed rascal means bosun is responsible for the whole tragedy. So he is saying, I wish you were drowned till 10 tides have washed over your corpse dead body. Gonzalo, he will be hanged yet, though every drop of water swear against it, and gap at widest to glut him. Means once again, Gonzalo is saying for bosun. He is saying for bosun, this man is destined to die by hanging. Means he is saying that I am confident, I may predict confidently that this person is destined to die by hanging. Though every drop in the ocean should swear against my prediction. Means here I predict that this person will definitely die by drowning, not by hanging. Although every drop in the ocean right now seems against my prediction, swears against my prediction, and even the ocean opens its mouth as wide as possible to engulf him, to swallow him. A confused noise within. Suddenly, he hears a confused noise within himself. He says, mercy on us. May God have mercy on us. May God have pity on us. We split. Farewell, my wife and children. Now he thinks that he would die, so he says, we are going to be broken to pieces. We split means broken to pieces. We are going to broken into pieces. Farewell, my wife and children. Actually, his wife and children are not on the ship, but he is saying that he is not able to meet his wife and children anymore in future. So he is saying, farewell, my wife and children. Farewell, my brother also. Farewell, brother. We split. Means we are going to be wrecked, we are going to be destroyed, we are going to be die by drowning. Exit bosun. Now Antonio says to his people, he is saying, let's all sink with the king. Let's all sink with the king means definitely the ship will sink, and with the ship we all people will also die by drowning. So let's go to the king and we should sink along with the king. Sebastian, let's take leave of him. Yes, let's bid farewell to the king also. And after saying this, exeunt Antonio and Sebastian. Once again, Gonzalo is saying to himself, Gonzalo says, now, would I give 1,000 furlongs of sea for an acre of barren ground? Barren means unfertile. Long heath, brown furze, anything. Means Gonzalo is saying, now I would be prepared to exchange 1,000 furlongs, furlongs is a distance, 1,000 furlongs of the sea for just 1 acre of dry barren land, unfertile land, even the land which may have long heath, brown furze, or anything. Long heath and brown furze, these are the shrubs, thorny shrubs which are usually found on barren land, unfertile land. Means he is saying, I am ready here to exchange 1,000 furlongs of sea for just 1 acre of barren land on which there may be long heath, brown furze, or anything. The wills above be done, and is saying, let the will of let the will of heavenly God prevail, but I would gladly die on dry land. Means I want to die on the land, not in the ocean. So he is saying, I wish that I should die on the land, not on the ocean. So that is your Act 1, Scene 1, and it's known as the opening scene. And only this is the scene which takes place in the ocean. Except this scene, all the incidents, events of the play take place on the island. Now, I think you have understood it, and except this, you must go the content yourself also. And if you have any problem regarding this content, if you are not able to understand anything, you may ask me or message me on my WhatsApp number. And once again, I want to tell you that this is the second half of the first scene. Means first half of the first scene I have given in the previous video, and this is the second half of the first scene. Thank you.